Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily detect fake mobile networks with Android 16. Your phone will automatically avoid the fake mobile networks if you have the Android 16 version on your phone with using just one single setting. At first we have to enter settings and then network and internet. Now we have to tap SIMs. And here we have to tap on our actual SIM. Here now we have to scroll all the way down. And here we have the 2G network protection. Avoid 2G networks which are less secure. We have to have enabled like I do have it now. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.